This happened in London in 1814. Inside a large brewery, a massive wooden beer tank suddenly failed. It burst open, releasing over 600,000 litres of beer. The pressure triggered a chain reaction, destroying other vats inside the building. Then it spilled out into the streets. A wave of beer surged through London's narrow roads, knocking down walls and sweeping everything away. Homes were destroyed, streets were submerged, and at least 8 people lost their lives. It became known as the London Beer Flood.